Jailbreak the Fire TV or any device is a buzz term that we use to get you guys to click on videos when we're just trying to tell you how you can get these apps and other things onto your devices that aren't supposed to be there. Jailbreak is not really the real term you should use, but everybody recognizes it for that. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get apps such as this. This is Red Movies. It's very easy to get, and you can watch anything you want pretty much for free. There's no cost to it. And also, have you guys ever seen this pop up on your screen? And it prevents you from being able to use certain apps. Well, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Play Store and Google Play services all on your device in this Jailbreak 2019 video. Let's go.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, but to fail all the same. Dread it. Run from it. Destiny still arrives.
What's up, everybody? You in the building with your old Uncle Mont, and we're bringing you life game streaming technology, helping you guys continue to cut the cord, not pay a whole lot of money, and make those life gains. And if this is your first time finding my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you're down every time we drop life game videos. If you are already a life game member, please do me one favor, share my content because they say we can't grow. So let's jump into this, but first, y'all know on this channel, we put on the +7 glasses of sexy as hell because we working on skilling up our craft, bringing you guys a better YouTube experience, something better to look at. Sponsor for this video, IP Vanish. Have you guys ever been sitting there, your internet is running fine, and then all of a sudden you just get booted out? Or if you go to one of these apps such as Droid Admin or Downloader, and all of a sudden it won't download, it could be because they have booted you. And IP Vanish is a very cheap way to avoid that. Check my video description link. So this is Movies Play Red, and basically it's a Terrarium clone. I think I showed you guys this when it first came out a long time ago. And you can get all these movies. It is just like Terrarium. Basically come in here, look at the movies you want to see, and you save them to your favorites in the same way you would do on Terrarium. Go right there and click save. I'm not going to click in any of those because that's not the purpose of this video. I just want to show you this is an option you can get with this device and the way we're going to show you how to jailbreak the FireStick. And so if you have a FireStick or a Fire TV device, I want you to come to settings and go to where it says My Fire TV, give it a click, click on developer options. Both of these A2B bugging and apps for unknown sources, when you first turn it on, are going to be off. You're going to want to turn those on. And when you turn them on, you escape out of there. And you're going to come over here in the search bar, or you can voice speak it, and you're going to look for an app called Downloader. And there it is right there. Go ahead and click that. All right. Downloader is going to look just like that. You want to download it, install it, and open it up, and let's meet at that home screen so I can show you how to get this. This is what you're going to see when you get to the home screen. I've already got this saved into my favorites, and I'm going to show you guys the URL so that you can get it. And shout out to my boy Aldrin Mayfield. He put me on to this method. This is pretty much his baby, so you guys go check out his YouTube channel as well. And the URL you're going to want to put in there is misfitsmod.com/mmwiz/mmc. It's on the screen so that you guys don't have to worry about it. I will also leave it in the video description. Once you have that added into your URL, go ahead and click it. This is basically a gateway to all the APKs and everything you need for free TV, free movies, pretty much everything you want for this device. And you don't have to use file link with this one. You can get KODI up here. You can get filthy McNasty content, and I know some of y'all out there are very filthy because y'all been clicking on that link in my video description called Unlock Her Legs. Ladies, watch out if they've been clicking that link, I'm trying to tell you. And you can scroll down here, and for those of you that have been getting that, you need Google Play Services and Google Play Store, you would simply come and click these two, Google Play Store and Google Play Services. Both of those are pretty big, so they're going to take about 1.5 minutes to download. And then you can come and click, let's see here, Mobdro if you want live TV. They've also got the Morpheus app, which is great for movies and TV shows. And then they've got a whole lot of others in here that you guys can come and play around with. We're just going to click on one of these. We're going to click on Morpheus APK so that you can get good movies, lots of content on that one. It's another way to have something on your FireStick so that you can start watching movie content today. There it is. You're going to click install. Once you get to this point, you go ahead and drop down, click done. Always click delete here and then delete there because you don't need all this extra stuff on your FireStick. Click to the home button and escape. And there are several ways you can get to it. My favorite is just going through the settings and going back to applications, manage install applications, and then you scroll down to the app you just got, which was Morpheus TV for us this time. And then you click it and launch it, and there it is. You got to go through the disclaimer, and then you pick movies or TV shows. We're going to click movies. For this one, you see what's trending. Collection is what you can save. We'll click trending. And we'll scroll on down and test one of these out. We'll click Avengers. And as you can see, it's finding your sources for you. As it's populating different sources, you would just come over here and pick on the source that is your favorite one to use. I'm gonna just go ahead and click on this one. And there you can see it's giving you more options. And then you drop down, click on the HD open load. And once you click it, it begins to play for you. And I'm gonna escape out of there because I don't want to get any strikes on my videos. And ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. That is the quote unquote way you can jailbreak your Fire TV or Fire TV box, whichever one you have, so that you can save that money and you can make it a Fire Stick and Chill night right at your home. And that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video. Please comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share them. Share, as we prepare to go into 2019, still helping you guys save as much money as possible, making those life gains. And until that next sexy as hell video, I'll see you.